Ebi say YouTube ni Facebook ni sa no ma ne ono mabu ono ma asofo ni ye obehye nkom na to ombe upload but omon publish.
Okay.
It takes a date now upload here no but you publish here. It are the policy
no I say you to private.
Sir, what you go publish no you to private.
You na publish date ni
na publish date even who upload here a picky date ni da. It are ni see na omon publish
or they are to public game.
Sir, or they are to public. Now fe we say oh say share come it careful necessarily the omo beye bia omberege prophecy no omberege. So what you say and the one is better yes sir Wendy Shay ekoye. Now we know say you nothing will happen. So what you say happen there now so for your true.
Hello, welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. Midin Ede Armstrong Poleeno Ade. Sene de bia ye kano ensem ne ba e fa entertainment nko ade ye bebro latest update and I say live update. We ensem bi e koso e bia probably what ya na won say e fa ye nwa ba Wendy Shay ene Ghana ya sofo ene omun komhye ho. Bra no akwa ba Poleeno Multimedia.
Ayo so far.
Na then of course
say the social media na
Poleeno Multimedia have force on my film. Anyone church any analysis.
And you be kasa. Okay. You be the na kwan beto.
Wendy Shay and conscious be by very recent say you be kidnap Wendy Shay. Am also confirm me, mom so confirm me. And you who say Wendy Shay akwa sorry ho akwa the necessary ade aso for the person on run de on me no and same way who say
one thing I can say that Poleeno Multimedia ahwefo nyina ase ya na bi mu nti ase say ya e betina ha kasa nsem na ya kan nyina na ye analysis a ya hwe ho a ye futu a ye de betimi etu ye ho fu de me can say Wendy Shay the way a nice move,
very nice one.
If this continues, also for being who betimi a share celebrity who come. Amana bem agidin.
Sene saying nyanti asachire
ye share who come. No matter how them come share.
Okay.
So you celebrity ko also for no ho.
Okay.
They say this Wendy Shay no what the camera scene so video na ba ono na kutwa the page ni nyina de etam ya share uko de obeye bia ma obi wanye kura na me hu se wako that means ko na uko no sofo no time a o hye nkom no se wa ma
okay
and o se uba obi twetwem mama na se mo mpene number mame na me ne nkasa that means obi twetwem enti se uko na se otwetwem de obeye ma obia oye mawa na eche se enkomhye ne be ma de na yese de no
na before
na otwetwem
na sa
so just say
before I remember no so no say enkomhye bi wo ho sorry nyamemfa menua ba ebony hero ecrete on the 8th of February nya kwanhia because so her also prophecies na enye sofo ba ko pen de buy
ba sofo na o de buy Niger Gazi no no was who here ebony any bullet ema emre bi mu ho na ase omo nya ntawantawa kakra na o se o frɛ no no omfa ne ade that means no person ebony ye den eba so ti ase ono ne de npa na prominent one ono ne de npa na prominent one other prophets is later na hu say APP so ti ase nti we is better say ukọ no aye de obeyi bia ebe ma na so ye trofo
okay
so ono so na se de ya ka so mo hye nkomo mo akun ono so na e pese plan no okun ade ye na ade a emma so te be ma celebrities jambia omoda o hye nkomo no akọ so ope wa gidi o ukọ just 30 minutes one hour obekwa
the moment o be hye nkomo no kra already o do wagidi na bi
that is it
see o say wadaje be
30 minutes one hour no akọ so aja say o asofo ni bi obetimi abọ pa kra me abekun bibia betimi ya agi omudin so what you say nti wo de wo kwa enye no na be say wonyum to enye no na be say wudinje enyum no di hia ne say wa body e de ni eti na o timi akọ programs asa so what you say so as I no we continue o shen kom na ko mo mo shen kom na ko mo mo shen kom biem
na anya sure say e basa so be the new trend because say soft be up say
and how many times would they do that? How many times would they do? Say now
you know. And maybe I ya buy prophecies
almost yes almost shen kom senkofu ebewu no. Say we say reduce kakra. Satawale de ba ya bufu ba na we de aba na bufu aba. Say reduce kakra o. Aha. Say o ma dwen ne say me de me mate no no. O ma dwen ne say enkom hye no. Ma me che technically you no mabu asofo ne ye.
Yeah, room na
you no mabu e bi say YouTube ne Facebook ne sa no ma. You no mabu no ma asofo ne ye. Obesha nkom na to on be upload but on publish it.
Okay.
And YouTube so it takes that date now upload here no but you publish here. It are the policy
no I say you have to private.
Sir, o tin ko publish no you have to private.
It on a publish date
na publish date even upload here a pick date ni dida. It are the see na o publish it
or they are too public game.
Sir, no they are too public. Now fe we say so o shen come the careful na celebrity.
But we I think it's one of our groups na boys hood boys and ecrete our platform. Prophecies we say started say but until we copy obi so be post e by say wa share enkom be vivid like the kind nyina be ma or the back date e by on Facebook. And I'm can say yo my friend we no who the way ba say we prove say enkom share wa share those days I'll challenge you say it's not right like see me date like
you see you are to date na I mention what the Facebook
me baby yeah challenge yeah debate to a group ni man me so me call me ankasa me Facebook page I'm strong Poleeno there and I'm go here me post be mine way back 2010 and I'm editing post no you see the same prophecy and I'm saving here and I'm using them screenshot here. And I'm the mom say opa once I come my Facebook page on scrolling down to 2010 obemu say the same thing down
sir
into just am so your prophecy and then go like oh wow you are making a point men doubt yourself but
celebrities yeah celebrities they have to be careful because technically physically spiritually as of one on abre the omo beye bia on berege prophecy no umberege so what you say and one it's better say Wendy Shay ekoye now we know say nothing will happen so what you say happen they are not so for or true for two they should be careful with asofo no and their life because they can prophesy and then make the video private is here and then they make it public. They should be very careful. So what you say but the American say the nipa shen come no na ba public before time I didn't be see kosofo no ho kono ho ni obi enhu se wakwa ama na twetwem it shall never continue e be boring obi ayesa e be boring so what you say na fe sen na mo be ya mo be shen kom bi what you say and careful na so mo
ti efutu ade be man celebrate bi o Ghana na say commission ba
enu kwan say oh you proud to say na grada I can any other asofo bi can say they show unkom don't be proud of yourself go there even video no go be so e be ba out twa facie esia sa o china sembi na dey about say me ko ho kra na say o de wo mo bi ehun say o ko ho so they say we kai say kwa me Eugene the prophet Nigel Eshem come be assassin I'm said they went there I think so sir they went there na o ye bibia ensi so they say shatawale dey ba asofo ebobọ mpaye ma na so ati say
no matter the prophecy no oh yeah artist so gidi and I say so
no matter the prophecy oh yeah artist yeah And so you're careful. And so GD. And so you're careful.
Very careful.
Because prophecy na nipa na be say when they say there's a kidnapping. So for na can't to no sa no the oben okra o ta obetimi ab kidnap am na ye adwuma. So what I say, so you have to be very, very, very careful. And yes, so for no GD asem o. This is not a matter of GD. Say kasa wu enche wo be wu a. Your ta wo twen say wo be wu. It is a poison called be gu aduan because ya sha ho kom. It's not about GD. Ye na anaga na ye GD as a home there be. Nipa obem physically obetimi prawa man enkom hye na bem. So for no hye enkom wo say enso na bi ono na dia ba bo okon achi. So what you say, a careful partner say, or take no more show more coin and they should stop mingling with us for. I'm telling you. Because of one who's waiting in the word fame or the obeyers I don't know. I
said Juma is so dear almost one in your bambo
Bambo Bain, if you are right, yes, not do any Saturday or sorry. Sunday sorry. Upe hot church be out to me say, it be a powerful, no idea. Wako. Sunday biya no wako wanko Sunday kura get a spiritual father who will fight for you every day. So what I say na say the be a so wetimi am abra bo na yede enyina abone wo ye ho de na so so ye say wotutu akwan yi na ahwe yi sa enyina etimi ye ko twa ntoro ne ade fine but so na
so try obi anye perfect
so try na obi metal no obi me ya ade a I said oni no wasem onya okro be kun so ntin komhye biba na opeso kun ni ka say so what I say nti who knows say boni ebi a ne driver say hwan yo wo share da na ebi an say driver esi hu so what I say no water na so what I say nti water na na esi a hyem kom water na
bra accident they say nka no so dey hu
and I make sure say physically it's not about home physically a bit me see you have to be careful when you matter of home na gidie bi o ye wo gidie die a de nam ye hye wo nkoma say papa o twen say bebem say nya papa so obon pa say ni nyina gidie na but physically
o ye de
technically ni nyina o ye den so won de me baje yes ya hye wo nkoma so obenya accident na on nam tema moto we so ye careful. So what I say, and
I'm commissioner so by any kind of challenge.
Don't challenge. Who knows say wabo pass say make it napo.
To the moment I have a challenge.
Don't challenge. Every say when they say they are
very perfect, very nice.
Obi who say wako if it happens.
And Chibram, patch your final words.
And the American say celebrities. No one say ebony dear by na confusion about say na oko fundage nyina ko ye ni nyina ko donate ye chat be by so na am say wan ko sofo no ho nti amana nya kwankyera e ho nti to ye celebrity am de me say ne say enkomhye ne ba ko ukwa sa 30 minutes na 1 hour na odi beji ni din na say within some days na odi beji ni din enka fe ukwa promote you so what you say no akode obeye no aye ni obi ehu ukonso twa video no be who say wakwa am na twetwam and it shall not continue every day e be boring they will stop it so what I say so you have to be humble and then box on with whatever you are doing so that the Lord God will bless you.
Yeah, that's it, bra. I Poleeno Multimedia. Some patch on subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell notification. Anytime you post any video, you get it straight. Follow me on Instagram. So Poleeno_com. Follow me. On Instagram, Armstrong_Poleeno_.